Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use WhatsApp on two phones with the same number. So basically you just have to open your other device and then install your WhatsApp. This is what it looks like. Now you have to click this agree and continue, and you don't need to enter your phone here. You just have to click this three dots at the top right corner, and then you have to look this link as comparison device if you're using iPhone. And this is your QR code. Now, using your other phone, you have to click this QR code symbol right here, or icon right here, and you have to point the camera to this QR code on this other device. So this is my Android. I'm going to link this, or I'm going to link my WhatsApp account to my iPhone, and all I have to do is to point my camera to this QR code right here to log in my WhatsApp to my iPhone. So I'm going to detect the QR code. I'm going to scan. And as you can see, it's logging in and it's loading my chats here. And as you can see, I have opened my WhatsApp account on my iPhone. At the same time, it is also open on my Android. So basically, that's how easy it is to open or use your WhatsApp application on two phones with the same number. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to create tutorials and videos, please do comment and suggest down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.